good day. When I told Justin I wanted to come in here, he was like, no, we're not going to Restore.
I have been bamboozled again. She's looking for mirrors while filming for the show. And you guys let me know if you see any mirrors around this section. I definitely don't.
Because I always buy stuff I don't need. And he calls it hoarding. Ooh, I'm totally not looking for this, but these two pieces are adorable. All three of these, like boho adorable.
When you go to the thrift store enough, they let you in the back. She is in her element right now. Boom.
The only downside to shopping at Restore is you have to be pretty creative and know exactly what you're looking for, know your measurements properly, because yeah, otherwise you could just be wasting money. Honey, do you like shopping with me at Restore?
No.
Oh my goodness. So this piece is really cool. What I would do for this is I would spray paint it black. I'd remove these because they're kind of, you know, dated. And you have a really cool farmhouse look. And it's only $10. You can find some cool stuff here, especially if you're needing just a fun vanity or for a garage or something. These are great. They have a lot of really cool windows here. We've gotten a lot of our windows and doors here in the past. Especially unique sizes or custom orders. And then what we do is we then go to our window supplier and we match the other windows to whatever we buy here. So something that drives Justin absolutely crazy is that I hoard things, but I'm not hoarding. I just, when I find something cool, I buy it for a future project. So I'm gonna go shopping in my garage. All right, hit it, Jones.
Farm sink here. You got a mail thing here. You have a table. You have doors. You have sinks, windows. You have.
I do have light fixtures there.
China cabinet, light fixtures.
Oh, what's this? Can I see this? Can you pull them out for me?
This one's got termites.
What?
Look at the bottom. Look, see it down there? Yum, 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 yum.
I love that mirror. We have made our way to Schiller's, which is a salvage yard. My imagination goes crazy here. Are you measuring? You measuring?
Measuring everything in here.
Someone's over it. All right, let's go. I know. The life of a flipper. Stopped by our storage unit today, and I honestly don't even know what's in here. It's pretty terrible. Oh! All right, we gotta reuse some of this stuff. I forgot I had this light fixture. Oh, this thing's cool. Whoops. There's a lot of stuff in here.
I gotta go back and put this stuff in the back of the bed of the truck at our house because we have no room here.
Not a good day.
This is a problem, Jones. This is a problem.
Concrete is rock. Rock music. The rock guys like rock. Framers are country. Drywall and mud.
My home away from home is at Lowe's. There she is, braiding her hair. She is not in her element right now. We spend about 10 hours a week just at Lowe's.
I wanted to keep this door. This is what people do. when I say make sure to keep this door. Framing going on. Rough-in electrical going in. Things being run. Bringing it up to code. Well, we found an abandoned septic tank right in the backyard. Let me show you exactly where in relation to the new area being built. So it's kind of a walking hazard. HVAC. Y'all see why I get so angry? Look at my poor yard. This was grass. Now I have to replace all of this. He's loading up my wild tile that I'm actually a little bit nervous about. We're going to do a full surround.
I'm kind of tired of white subway anyways.
I know, we're trying something new. I'm scared, but I am gonna go bold on this one. We're gonna see how it goes. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Okay, this turned out so good. Don't want to look fancy.
I gotta come down here a lot.
Oh yeah, I'm short. I'm not even wearing heels. I just got a call from the cabinet guy that I never want to get. With all of the COVID back orders and stuff, our cabinets never came in for Bluehouse. That sets us back, like they're not coming in until the end of September, which sets us back so far. I can probably mix and match the lower cabinets, still making them blue, but I'll have to use another brand for the upper cabinets. We're gonna use our normal Panda cabinets because those are in stock and they have plenty of those in the storeroom. And it just kind of is just a little wrench in our deal, but he's supposed to be installing today. So we went to go pick him up and they said, oh, they never came in because the supply houses are not making them quick enough. So how do you feel about that, Jones?
He's been working with us long enough. He'll figure it out.
Guess what day it is? Cabinet day. I thought that a mustard door would complement this beautiful, oh man, the colors just aren't showing up on the camera. They didn't have the color I wanted for yellow for the door. I have our good friend at the paint department at Lowe's mixing some colors for me. The yellow that we mixed was way too yellow. I needed to be more muted. So in color theory, what you do to mute a color is take the opposite of the color wheel and add a little bit to that to mute your color. So I added a little bit of purple because that's opposite of the color wheel. So we're gonna see how it turns out. I'm nervous, like in my stomach.
Oh, that's it.
Oh God, it just turned orange.
Well, that's like a darker nacho cheese.
Oh yes, that's beautiful.
It looks the same to me.
So I frequently make mistakes and my yellow looks god awful. Nacho cheese, it's so bad. On the, on the camera it doesn't look that bad.
No, it's different on
Do you like that color?
You like that color up there, the yellow?
The yellow? No.
No, you told me yes.
Back at it again. It's a jungle in here.
That's the same color as the entry door.
Justin.
Welcome. I thought this was Mohawk. It's a good brand.
It's a little too busy.
Recycled tires.
We're shopping for the final piece of the puzzle for Bluehouse. I always like to put a welcome mat out front. Please knock so we have time to clean. That's funny. Oh, that should go to our house. Oh, the one next to it, to the right. It's perfect. That's cute. I like it, that one. This is Justin's least favorite part.
I just want to get in and go. I don't want to pick out a bunch of chairs, a bunch of nonsense that I just don't need. I just want to get in and go. Mm-hmm. And when you go in with Stephanie, you better go for the long haul.
So a really cool way to make your closet look custom is to buy furniture at a resale store or a thrift shop and repurpose it to make your cabinetry for your closet. Like this one is It's really cool. I'm filling the holes right now so my hands are dirty. They originally came with these really old knobs. Really dated it. So what I'm doing is I'm switching out the knobs for some black modern knobs. I found these really cool shelves right here. They were originally white and I had my project manager spray black. So it kind of freshens it up, and it also, I added this really cool modern hardware. Here. So these were the sides, and like it was like a hole built in for a waterbed. As long as this area here is at least 24 inches, it'll hold you can just do a normal rod that you buy at a home improvement store like Lowe's. And you attach it to this and it makes it look really custom and cool, like you've spent a lot of money on it. And just gives that little custom feeling to it, and also makes your closet look a little bit more expensive than using just the wire shelving, or buying those like $400 systems at Lowe's. You can buy this for, I think we got this for $50 for the pair. This one is from a waterbed. It had like crown molding with lighting in it. We just took that off, separated the two of them. There's one over here too. All right, so as you can see, there's two drawers at the bottom, the little shelf there. All right, see, the handles are now on. Just have to get sanded down a little bit once they dry tomorrow. Hopefully I've inspired you to do something fun and creative and think outside the box. If you have a project that you've done that you're proud of, that's like a cheap, fun, crafty sort of like renovation, please comment below and send us a picture. Or if you have a video, take a video and send it. Or tag us on Facebook or in YouTube or Instagram. I want to see what you guys are doing, because I'm inspired by things like this too. So shoot me your cool ideas. What have you done? What are you wanting to do? If I inspired you, send a picture of what it looks like, or comment below of what it looks like. So bye. Bye.